What's up with it, y'all? I need to find a pair for one. We want to see how this happened. Okay. So it's 8:22 a.m. So we're gonna try to find us something to these markets. Into these markets. Let's see. Let me take everything off. Do all this together. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm marking up the chart right now. So what I did was I came on GJ, right? And I'm just going through the markets looking to see what I feel like is a good setup. It's not a good setup, literally just trying to find my little land inside that. So if we look at G with GJ together, you can see that like the market is in this area right here, right now. You know, it previously fell in this area before. So I started a trend line, you know, or mine that kind of shows me where the market was sitting at when it failed. So the market started to fall here. And I could say here, if I wanted to, let's give it a little bit more cushion. Like you would probably say, why did I stop put this in here? Because this is where we got currently for a new low. So we do it like this. Fibs. You know, I'm about to go with my fibs. You know, trace. So we can see that we already had a rejection on this gold zone to go up. So we may start looking for it to come back down. So what I want to see is it's on a 4 hour. So what would I want to see out of G10? I would need DJ. So it literally closed back under here. It already came back up, retested all this. So. I think people still, I think it's going up too. Yeah, we on the uptrend right now. I know some people probably like, man, why you want to trade me? You just go back on trade like that. I'm doing both. I'm just looking at stuff right now. Let's see. No, what kill zones are. Kill zones are just what I use, so it help me target the. Help me tell time. Let me say that. So I like New York and I like London. So I'll take off Tokyo. And then it let me know what it's doing inside the chart, you know. So we on the 8 o'clock candle. So this is the start of the New York. So we kind of close to the previous high right here. And we got this little let's see. You can see all these black lines right here. These are previous days morning, 8 o'clock, where I opened up. So I can see right now above here, it gets rejected. So when it shoot up, it gets to this range, it'll fall. We do the same thing here. It is a possibility that this is going to fall again. Probably, the candles don't do nothing but repeat themselves. I'm sure you all it is. They really don't do nothing but repeat themselves. Anybody that joined in, man, just like, subscribe, comment, man. It don't even matter who watching. Put this account. Let me see. Okay, so y'all see like the market's not open yet though. So right now I'm kind of like this. On top of it, I'm kind of like this. How can I say it? Like I'm kind of like just trying to set it all up so I can honestly catch everything once everything do start happening. I'm putting in key resistant lines that I will see. Let me say that before I can start looking. Analyze the market so we can watch it. We were supposed to be on at 7, so forgive me from being behind. It's okay though. I'm sorry I don't be using music. I'm new to this stream trading. So if the quality kind of sketchy, I apologize if um, I apologize. Keep it like that. So I'm looking at all these. I don't trade all the pairs. That's not what I suggest anybody do. Let me see. Let's see what's not going on. Oh, I thought I could do it. What's going on here? Come on. I see you clicking on knives, man. Let me in, man. Let me in, coach. Let me in. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, so y'all can see I be on knives. I can see I be on knives, man. Let's get the disease stuff right quick. We're gonna do all this together, man. I can see I be on knives, though. I can see how I got in like that. So this is a trade I entered in yesterday. You can tell it's still working itself out. It look like this. He finally came up here, rejected this one, but now we see it a little strong, but I don't even matter. I see I'll take it out of this. We're gonna do all this together. I ain't gonna have us come on here and I don't care about Mr. Trade. I'll wait to the next one. It's all patience, man. So I'm gonna take all this stuff. I'm gonna figure out how I mark it up. We're gonna mark it together and we're gonna go from there. You feel me? Okay, so I might do like that. Mark that. No, so not to get the market. I'm your phone. Okay. So one thing I know from just looking back, right? The market has most definitely fell right here. Most definitely came down right here. Came down. But we know for a fact right now we have not surpassed this. So this might be a zone that we starting to retap back into. So I just keep that in mind. Like, this might be a zone we starting to retap back into. So in this case, where did it first start falling? I'm gonna say, yeah, we're gonna take. We could take this. It's like when a 1-2 fall happen. What we're gonna do? We're gonna mark them both up. We're gonna take the body of this candle. Where it's in the fall started happening. We're gonna take the body of that one. We're gonna take this one too, because this one, I feel like this one is a strong support too. Because it's right here at the top, and you see it push back down to get back to that level. And like I said, it hasn't surpassed those levels yet. So, and we have to see what happened beforehand so we can know what's going on now. You know what I mean? So, we'll take this and drag it all the way over. So I already got it placed. And as I can see, when we get to here, it's already lining up with like other positions in the market. You can see the market came down here and shot right back up right here. So these would be like the places I take one because they're easier to hit. They're more guaranteed than trying to catch one at the bottom line. You trying to wait to the end for anything. You out the picture. So okay. Yes. That's a clean cut for you. I don't care. That boy big enough for water. Nah, I don't like pink either. It ain't mine, so don't act. Yeah, so. Okay, so let's see. What is market structure doing right now? So okay, so we've been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then higher line. We got a higher low right here. We're doing higher lows, and we're breaking them on a smaller structure. So you technically think about it, going through Sunday and all that, we had to adjust. So now I believe that we still may push up to get into this zone right here. Now, what we do in this zone, I'm looking for sales. So I'm looking for shorts. Now, the reason I'm looking for shorts is because the market is already tapped down here. It broke this one right here, but this low right here, knowing it's still going up, it's still in a bullish market, right? But up here, we are getting to a heavy support zone or resistance zone. Well, I know it's a lot of sellers there. The other thing, the market just fell here a few weeks ago or last week or something, or 2 weeks ago. And now we're sitting here in this position again, and it fell again. So now we back in this area again. It's falling again, but I feel like we're going to push back into that area because of all this buying power we have down here. We're still breaking. The market structure is still moving upward. So I want to suggest it to do anything but what it's doing, and which is retracing itself, finding itself. Let me see. From where we first started this shooting. I'm going to say we came right here. We tested right here. And so we back to retesting these. So I'm gonna say that if the market closed, if this market closed for like lower than this trend line right here, I'm gonna take the sale. I'm gonna take the sale. And now the reason I'm going to take the seller is because I know it's still pressure building up to the upper side. I know we are coming into where sellers are heavy in the market. I know this has a push to push up, but if you look at it, okay, let's just say the market went up, right? It came up here, and then it came back down here, right? So it's like, just say the market right here. So then it's like the green is going to bring you all the way up, and then it takes you back down here. So now we're trying to find out where exactly the market is at. Boom. This spray right here, look, it's having trouble to pass, and this little gap right here, it's having trouble. Remember, this was a gap 2 in the market. All that was a gap 2 in the market. So to come for this, right, all this shows me is like my current high. All this shows me is the current high. Like, so I know this is my current high. I know this is my previous day's high. And I know that because, like I said, each one of these black ones is, look, this gonna say Friday. 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 You see what I'm saying? Monday. So basically, all that's showing me that I know I'm getting closer to my highs. Let's see what they're gonna do when they balance this all right here. Now, I will continue to say this is once we break this, it'll be a point of entry. Now, why do I say that? Now, I say that because now on a shorter time span, we just failed here, right? So if I go down to like a 1, I'm gonna see that we have just failed into this position over here. Knowing that I feel like the market needs to rise back up, right? Knowing I think the market is gonna fall. I'm saying if it closes below this, let's see another entry point on here. Right here. This would be my entry point for here. So I know the market is surpassing through here. So if the market closed and show me bullish structure, I mean bearish structure going down here, I'm going in. I'm going in. If it breaks through here, I'm going in. I'm going in for the upside. So basically what I'm saying is, let me see, drop path. I'll be beginning with some of this stuff like sometimes. Path right here. Okay. So me, I'm saying if it come below here, come above here, I'm going up. Guaranteed. Ain't no ifs, ands, buts about it. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. If we go down, if we come here, I'm going up. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. Hold on. Let's make it a path. My bad. That's what I'm looking for. Now, when this happens, I'm aiming for this high, low, high right here. Like the most recent high, and then once we break that, and I see strong momentum still pushing up, we're gonna aim for this one. That'll be probably them trades right there, to be honest. And then same thing for here. Once we come down, I'm gonna be aiming for this low right here. We touch that, I'll be aiming for this low. But like I said, I'm waiting. Like, I don't necessarily know what the market will do. You don't want to just make a trade and outside of yourself, boy. I'm trying to tell you. See, if I was to draw a box right here, it'll let you know that like there's nothing I see that's going on right now. if we do take a trade today, it probably won't be on my live account, only just because today is a holiday. So the market could be doing a whole bunch of stuff that no one knows. So I'm actually just putting this on here right now, or showing y'all how I'm going through this, or how I actually mark up. How do I look for my trades? How do I find my trades? I already know what pairs I trade. I'll let you know what pairs I trade. But what am I actually doing? What I'm doing is I am waiting. So I know I'm on 5 minutes. Okay, so I know that we are trending upwards. I'm looking for a breaker structure. We already starting to start consolidating. So that means we can have a change in momentum. I'm looking for us to close and show me bearish structure going down, and I will put it for sale. I want us to show me bullish structure going up, surpassing this, the break, and I will shoot higher. That's it. So we're waiting on, man. Once I see those key signals, I know what I want to do. I know which way I'm trading in, who I'm with. It'll be the same if I go to another pair. Like, let's go to gold. I love trading gold as well. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go to gold. So I like nines. I like gold. I like something like GP. I like you. I like you. Like you. EU. I like EU. So okay, so let's look at this. So look, what type of structure you would think this is, though, like we more consolidating than anything. See what else. All right, see, I be taking them trades, man. Be taking them trades. Dub on them. Dub on them. That's all I can say. Dub on them. Y'all see that green right there? Dub on them. And then look, come back with the drag. It's on a higher time span, though. You have to really be. This will let you know how much you trade. Like, you have to really be onto your market. So we doing the same thing. As you can tell, like, look, I'm trading the same type of thing, a breaker structure. I ain't care about it getting all the way up there. I just no fuck. Like, cause once it come back down to where I want it to be at, then I'm going to enter. Then I'm going to place my trade. And I ain't gonna lie, since I've been having that mindset, it's been more profitable for me. I'll be honest with y'all. So I tell anybody, like you have to be secure in what you're doing. You have to know like where you trying to go when you trade, and you gotta know like a plan, and then you gotta be okay with it. Oh my goodness, I do be marketing for it. We do all this together. This first too. Okay. Before the fall happen, we're gonna take this whole body, come across. I correct it to make sure that it's better. Now we got the same thing building here. Not showing me no low end structure. So I do not think this boy wants to come down. Not at all. We got a previous high here. I want to say that I did this one. No, this is still a previous high. We already came through and collected all this, but it's been respecting this zone too. So this might be a gap in the market on a smaller level. So because it ain't trying to shoot past this. They haven't surpassed it. So it could be a change in the market. Who knows? Let me see. What else is there? Yeah, though. But whoever come across this, man, most definitely, like, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all need. Let me know what y'all need from me, man. I'm a normal person, bro. A normal person. I ain't nothing no different than anybody else. So in this case, it'll be the same. You know, bottom power. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna go. You know they're gonna have to go and take out people. So who would they take out first in this case? I think we're gonna come retest back in this area. I'm gonna carry it down. Make sure you hydrate yourself. See. My apologies, I had to take care of the little shorties. You know how it is when you got kids. Okay, let's go back to Nas. So I don't know what they're doing yet. I don't know what gold is looking to do yet. Let's see. We already rejected the gold. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking at. If it was to trade in the way I see it, let me see. Say it was to go from. Let's see. Let me go from here. My exit would be up here. Wow, going for previous high. Not too perfect. Yeah, down here. As I said that. So the 1-to-6 ratio, I'm cool with that. And that's if it goes down. Nah, it ain't no guarantee that it can do this. So I'm just throwing up an example. Like I said, it can go up. But if I see a break above here, I'm I'm going in guaranteed. And we out. I'm showing y'all how I call them, how I see them. Hopefully y'all can take from that. I said not everyone's gonna be a winner either. Be comfortable with losing. It's just a part of it. So all this can retrace, which I'm not against or afraid of. You see that wick forming? the bottom close down, you know, it's pressure that's keeping it up. Like, study the market. You'll start learning stuff like as it's going. So, but it's showing me pressure in the market right now. I can tell that this is probably a strong point. That's probably showing me that it really want to start going up. Right? Let me get this out so it won't distract y'all. It's showing me that it really want to go up. Right? So I told you, like, if it goes below this, I'm selling. Guarantee, right? And why I say I'm aiming here. I ain't trying to confuse you, but I told you I'm still going short. I'm putting everything back where I had it. I'm still short. That ain't changed nothing. You see the market about to open up. Hopefully it stays in my favor. But we're gonna trade this together. Like I said, I ain't got no music on or nothing like that. That boy's going enough to TP. TP1. TP1. I'm gonna let y'all know, man. I've been really, started studying, man. I've been really preparing myself to go live with you guys because I'm giving out all this information free. Let you know I'm using a small account, so that boy can change in a matter of quick seconds. You know what I mean? They just say I kept this trade right here by itself. I ain't do no other trade. This would be just about a one-on-one. If I'm right. This would be a one-on-one right now. But regardless of the fact I'm holding it for more, which we know, I'm holding it for more. But this really would have been a one-on-one ratio. Nah, you see what I mean? And so look, you see where the bodies close at? This is why the bodies matter. And the bodies matter because it'll let you know how far the market really want to go down. Like it might show you all that with the wick and all that, but sometimes the market don't want to surpass a certain position. That's why, like, I got this as being the start of, like the top of it. It's a short trade. Now, can it go lower? It most definitely can. But if I was in this case right now, I don't even see it going to right there. But I will be aiming to try to trail it to about here, where a majority of all the pressure started. So, to about right here. We got a lower low, a lower high, a lower high right here. But we still got bullish momentum. Now, this could be a breakout trade. This could be the trade that takes us down. This could have been us breaking, us retesting right here, and us about to go back into motion. So you feel me? It can be whatever. You never know. The whole key of it is be cautious. Take your time. Know what brings you out. Know what keeps you in. I see at the place where I said, like, all right, if it surpass here, if we go past here and it show me heavy bullish motion, like, what y'all think I'm gonna do? I'm getting out. If I'm going for the sale and it's showing me a superb amount of buying power and I'm looking for a sale, why would I stay in? Same thing vice versa. If I'm looking for a sale, a buy, and it's showing me a dumb amount of selling, why would I buy? Like, I'm not saying that buy when it's, you supposed to buy when it's buying. Like, no, you're supposed to buy when it's in the middle of a sale, but that sale would be a pullback. It wouldn't be an actual sale. Like, it wouldn't be like sales in the market. It's just a bearish market. Let me go ahead and look for buys. Like, nah. Look for what it's doing. So right now, it's consolidating. I hope y'all like me and y'all smoke this ain't really for the kids. I want to get some meds. Man, let's put it on the shirt. That's gonna be steals, man. Let's put it on the other. Nah, I'm gonna fix it. All right, come on, y'all. Let's see. Free coins, free knowledge. I don't want none for this. Oh, somebody can take this information and grow with it. I said I don't want nothing in return for none of this. And I ain't saying I'm the best. I ain't saying I'm looking to be the best. I ain't saying that, like, I won't lose. I'm saying, here you go. Somebody that don't want nothing, need hope that you all succeed. That's me. I'm placing all these trades. So we can see the market showing us like structure to go back up. And so you see the wicks forming at the bottom. What that's telling me is around this area, it's a whole lot of buying power. So you can tell like this area we've been bouncing. That's cool. I'm just looking for that extra push to knock him down. Now this could be the setup from here to start shooting up. That could be that. They can hit you with that bullery. All right. But the market is gonna try to get everybody out the market. That's one thing it's gonna do. It's not gonna be looking good for nobody. It ain't gonna never be perfect for anybody. The market gonna find a way to get everybody out. Like, trust me. So I won't be surprised if it's zoom back up here and got them going crazy. I won't be surprised if it shot back up to about this area right here, and then, or at least around here, and then started falling again. I won't be surprised. Why wouldn't I be surprised? Because once you understand what the market is doing, you're kind of more aware of what may or may not happen. So you'd be more, you know what I'm saying, kind of look for it. If that happens, you're like, all right, it's following the way I said it was gonna go. So that's still a good thing. Right? If the market was doing something against what you say you had it going down like we do right now, and the market pulling back up right now, would you be mad if you feel like, all right, I know the market should still at least come up to here, or it may come up and retest this market before it starts shooting like that? If you already know that, like, you wouldn't really, it shouldn't bother you what the market is doing in the midst of your trade. Like, so if I placed it right here, I'm saying like I'm stuck with it right there. I don't care what the market do outside of going down. Like, I don't care. As long as it ain't bring itself all the way back up here, I'm in good standings. I'm good. Because sometimes it takes a little longer before it to come apart, like come about. You have to be patient. Like, I idolize myself. You have to really be patient. Like, oh my goodness. You have to really be patient when it comes to this, because the market gonna do exactly what it want to do, and you have to be willing to take losses. A lot of people ask me like, all right, man, like, if I gave you some money and you was trading, how much money would I make trading with you? And I'm like, bro, how much is you willing to lose? Like, you know what I mean? Because it might not be exactly what you think it's gonna be. It might not do that. Like, it might not do that. They got so close to take profit though. You know? So close. So close. Now, mind you, I did just say like it can come back up into this area. Like, boom. See where it was having trouble at right here. It shot down to about right here. So then you know, like, it's buying power right here. The body is right here. You got a double bottom right here. So like right here, it may push. It may push. We do got a order block right here. It may push. It could. Or it could have just created another zone too. If you think about it, like, all right, if you think about it like this, like, so I like to trade gaps in the market, right? So we know they're gonna fill gaps. So where's another gap in the market? Where it start falling? We filled this one up. This one is filled. This one is filled. The gap ain't up until here, so we ain't in that area right now. But that might be where we're heading. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No one knows, man. No one knows. No one knows. We got 13 minutes until the market actually opens up, so no one knows, dog. No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. Like I said, all this free. I hope anybody can take this and move forward with it. And we what my boy say, oh, hit that joint. Hit that joint. Get your mind right. It's Monday. I'm hoping everybody have a good Monday, though. Kids ain't in school, so, you know, holiday as long as you can. Once again, I am not making a trade today. Today is a holiday. What I am doing is showing y'all how I trade. So this trade can be a hit or miss, but I'm showing y'all what would I be looking for when I'm placing the trade. What would I be looking for? I told you when it came to this trade, all I needed to see was a close behind here. It's gonna show me some type of resistance up here. Same thing about going up there. Trading the breakout. This would be considered continuing with the trend. And then a trade that you see on screen right now will be considered a breakout. Meaning like we've been trading up, we've been in a bullish zone. We're just starting to make it look a little bearish because of the consolidation. But I'm saying I took this trade right here with the thoughts of breaking structure. So with us breaking structure right here toward the downside, that's what I look for. And it's a simple little one. So one, I believe. Nothing too crazy. We got more forward momentum inside this area right here. To push it back down. Push it. Now I'm gonna know for a fact that we're gonna be going lower. If we take this below here, I know we pushing low. Guaranteed. I guarantee if we break this right here, we're pushing low. We're pushing low. I guarantee it. If we break that low, we're pushing. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. The broker I do use is KOT4X. That link is in the description. If you want to get in our group chat, we don't take no trade outside of what y'all see us doing on YouTube. So we just starting all this. So hopefully people can understand that what we do is more simplistic than others. I'm not going to use all these big words. And I'm going to set the charts up and show you all my trades and stuff throughout the day. So I'm not going to do anything without you guys. But the Discord is in the bottom too. Follow us on Instagram, whichever. It's just free coins, man. I'm just giving back. That's all it is. I'm doing the challenge myself, so y'all gonna be a part of that. Y'all watching me do that. You gonna watch all this play out. Trading is really a patient there. You have to really take your time with all of this because it's gonna take a second before everything transpires. For real. We got 8 minutes before everything opens up. 8 minutes before everything opens up. You see, I'm gonna tell you all this too. I usually would have put a line probably about here. You know, see, like I'm pointing over here, but it's saying anything over here. That's because like it shows you like the true line. Like if it came up, boom, came right here, sat down, boom, came up, shot itself up here, sat back down, sat right back down. It's letting you know that's where it's at. So By seeing that, I would have been here take profit if I would have had it down here. But it's okay. It's all right, though. Anybody know how to read them? See. Push. So I'm hoping that 930 will push it down. Really pushes down to about right here. And I'll take it to about right here. A lot of buying power over here. It's a lot of buying power. A lot of buying power. From here to here. But this all the gap in the market too, to be honest. So this all the gap too on the 5 minute. I'm on the 15. Let's see that. This is that. This is that. So right now we're in the gap. And we building it. So what could happen is come right back up to here. Fight, and then come right back down. They can do that too. And I'm doing all this vibe, man. So don't think anything. So like I said, today I ain't taking no trades. This trade right here is not a trade. We just marking up the market and we just playing in to play out. So today is a day, it's a holiday, so I'm just letting the market play itself out. Meaning when I say that is, we jumped on here. I like trade 9, so I showed y'all how would I see this trade. I see it going up and I see it going down, right? So for me to know which one it's going to do, I need to see certain things happen before I commit to whatever I'm choosing, right? So I told y'all this is where I'm at right now, and I need to see it break this structure. Now, why did I need to see it break this? One is because like I'm seeing it bouncing. I'm seeing this. This is where it's shooting through. This is where it's shooting through. So once I see it shoot through here, where do I see it go? If it's shooting through here, where do I see it go? I see it going down here. Buka, right? So obviously, if I'm around this area, where am I looking for? I'm looking for it to get to at least here, which it did. I didn't have my stop loss high enough. I mean, my take profit high enough, so I could have hit that one, but at the same token, it didn't reach the market that I wanted it to. So you have to pay attention. So when I drew this up, like I said, I wasn't being, fully myself. It should have been like this. These right here, so I can close on top of a body, or here where I know for the fact the market was sitting. So this would have been like a scalp trade. But it should have been about here. And I would have tapped that out. If I wanted to, I ain't had to have my stop loss so high. If I was doing it like that, I could have did it like right here. This for this position. Just for this position here. And so on the 5 minute, it would have looked a little bit bigger. But as I could tell, that would have been a trade right there. For it to come back up, this would have been TP1, still the same, coming down. No, same thing I just said. You know, I'm taking it a little bit longer. Why not? Right. So y'all short picks and large picks. So this is a true trade. Like we'll be still in profit. We would be still in profit, but at the same token, it'll be pulling back. So you know, the market will be coming back up to us. But why? Why would our first TP wasn't hit? So let's go back and think about it. So I know a lot of people like putting things on the wicks. I don't necessarily like putting them on the wicks. I like having them on the body. The reason I like having them on the body because I know it's gonna touch that lane. I know it's gonna touch that area. I guarantee it. So knowing that it's gonna touch where it was on the body and less likely where it's a wick, that's why you see a lot of wicks not be crossed, but you see the body be passed. Like you will see the wick get crossed, but you won't see the body get passed. I mean, you will see the body get passed, but you won't see the wick get crossed. All right. So what that shows me right now, like just like I got the line right here, right? So now I said that I put because I'm like, all right, once it closed below this, I'm shooting for it to go down, right? To hit this one first. Why didn't I do it right there? Look at the bodies. They all closing on it, the wicks touching it. So I know it's pressure to push up, but at the same time, all the bodies coming below it. So I know this is the place of interest and it become more recent. You see the market is sitting right on top of it. And so I believe here it's gonna slide right back down. Sometimes you just gotta let the market go and don't really care about it. Sometimes you can't watch it because watching the market, it's gonna have your emotions going so many different ways. You ain't gonna. I doubt you'll be able to even focus on it. Like, you got 1 minute into an open and it's still like it's heavy pressure. Oh, come on, come down, my boy. Come down, my boy. Y'all see, look. Since Asian market, we came here, we literally had broke a low. So we got a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, about to build another lower high. And we should be going back down low. Now, the purpose of this is to show us the market in a way where it's like, okay, I know it's going to pull back, but how far would it pull back? So in this case, I probably would take another entry once I show sales going back down. So look, it's filling out a gap right now. I'm gonna fall in the market, and it's about to have trouble surprise. I know if y'all don't know why I put lines where I put them, or if y'all don't know why I put my trend line, like the breakout where I put it, let me know. I try to go more in depth. But if you can see where, just keep following along. Nah, I'm not. I'm trying to tell you, I'm not the best trader, but I'm a real trader. So we're gonna be real about everything. We're gonna be transparent, and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. So we either retesting or we breaking out. You know, like I told y'all, I'm not worried until I see it break through here. And we are wow. Let's go. Let's go. Good reject. Y'all see the rejection off of it though right now? So far. You got that on the bounce back. So we know the market is gonna try to take out a lot of people in the market right now. But now that the market has opened, we got a lot of velocity. velocity going into the market. So the market is about to move way fast, and if anybody knows anything about NAS move dumb crazy fast. So just know, dumb crazy fast. Come on, man. No, the heart be going. That's how big niggas be trading. It just it's hard, man. So we see it was already tapped on. Remember, on the body. Go to your previous body. Use that. The wicks is okay because it'll let you know if it surpassed or anything, but focus where the body's at. The bodies will matter. You could come up there just to take out that previous high. But for some reason, I don't think so. I think we're going to continue down to the downtrend. And I think we're going to continue into the downtrend. And if you could tell, look, if we was buying, you got to take profit here. And look, that's on my line now. You got to take profit here. You got to take profit here. You got to take profit here. You got one here. You got one here. You got one here. Look at all. That's a lot of take profit on the buy side. So same thing going down. You see what I'm saying? If you know previous market structure, like you really could like ride it all the way. Like I'm saying, like you can most definitely add an entry at each point if you knew, if you was confident that it was gonna go in that like that direction. If you was confident it was gonna do that. Let's see what it want to do. I could shorten this one up now. For real. Rejections. The best. Rejection. Nah, I need each body to keep closing below. That's a strong rejection. Strong rejection. That's the type of things you want to see. I know y'all see the whiteboard behind me, so I'm gonna put all the winning trades, how much we win, how much we go up. Remember, so I decided I'm gonna start with 50. So I'm gonna start with $50. So that's gonna make it like I probably ain't really got no space to lose. So I put 50 to $1 million. So I'm gonna just keep going with that. I also did say 50 to 10,000, 50 to 1,000. Like, I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but we're gonna do something with it. We're gonna do something with it. I just know. I believe. Come on. If we wanted to, we could have took an entry up here too. So knowing that we already took one here, we could have did another one when we considered that a retest. Like we could have did another one right there. Like with the same mindset that it's going here. With the same mindset that it's coming here. I would have took a retest on that. I hope y'all learn something from that too. Like remember, like when you see the market going in a certain direction, right? When you choose something, choose the body. Like 9 out of 10 is gonna leave a wick where you at, if that makes sense. So same thing right here. Y'all remember when we first came on, I was like, all right, if it goes here, above here, if it start making its way above here, I'm going to, I'm going for the buy. If it starts to make its way here, below here, I'm going for the sell. And I ain't down here. Now, if this was on that body, this would have been the perfect entry point, right? So when we first had it on there before I put it over the body, it was like down here, wasn't it? Okay. It was like down here, wasn't it? Y'all can see. It was like down here, wasn't it? Let me say it was like this. And that's like all we needed. But if it was on the body of the previous candle low in that area, it would have been up here. Now, how do I know that? That's the I ain't gotta just say it to you. You know, we take these things and then we learn from it. Look how many times it bounced off his line. Remember, that's why we marked that line up. But where's the body of this candle? The low candle. You can go here. You can go here. You know, what it gonna hit. Easy little template. But now we retesting this area here, right? I hope y'all learning something, man. I'm a barber by trade. So people know. Before I go to the shop, this is kind of my routine of what I do. I'm just hoping that I can actually help somebody with this. You don't watch this, but Once we get up over here, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's gonna be so much buying power. Like, look at this right here. This, I want to say this where we at right now too. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna say you probably look. You can just tell around this area right here, and look, Google, a lot of buying power. So what may happen is you might come down to touch here, shoot back up. He already caught this. He already would have caught that. But this, so you'll see. So that's what I know you'll see people say like a setup happening for another setup. So it's like, all right, now we done test into this zone. Like, what could happen now? If it's not disrespecting this zone to push through it, would it be the next thing that can happen from here? It'd be to come here, back up. It'd be to come here and back up. I'm gonna turn it blind so we all can see. It'd be to come here. I'm saying. You can ask me, is either here or it'll be here. And I say here because we got a double bottom. But I mean, this is a lot of space right here. More power, not space. A lot of power. You got the power right here and right here. So think about it. What could be happening? It could be coming a retest on me right here. And if I could start shooting so right back up. I'm gonna take this off. And I leave the mic no more. Well, we are below too, so I'll get it around. This boy can still come down. This boy still can come and take all this out. It just wiped that already too. It already came below here. This one then dang near shot off right where it's at. So that's crazy. But you know, like I said, the market repeats itself. Like it don't do nothing different. It does nothing different. It does nothing different. So if it came down and already did this, right, and already did this, that means it can go right here, do that again. So now we shooting through here. Let's see how much it goes through here. So mind you, I said we could still take one from up here if we wanted to aim down. Right? The first thing we did it was right here. So we already caught this. Right. So putting it on the body, knowing where the market's going, having an idea like, all right, if it shoot past here, if it show me motion to shoot past here, I'm going bullish, right? If it breaks below this line of support that I put, right, I'm going bearish and I'm going to the nearest low, right, which was here at the time, right? I mean, the strongest one, I'm gonna say it, I think that came from like the 15-minute or the hour. So now we come back to retest this area, and then here he is. So I'm like, we could have took this again to continue to continue down. But if we did, how far would it go? Let's see. I said, my next take profit will be right here. If that was the case. Right here. What power bounce off of? Well, I like to put mine, like I said, on the bottom. On the bottom, I'm going to a previous level. So look here once again. The market want to come through this area. So that would have been 2 times from the same position that the market chose to come down here. Repetition. Like I said, the trade was over here, but that don't mean that it can't come retest this area and then continue to make its way down. We did show bearish market structure, a little bit of bearish market structure from last night on, or all this morning from 2 a.m. We've been showing breaking lows. It's in this short term period. So in a day, it's more like a bearish day. Let's say that. But let's not see that we don't see buys coming about. Look at all this buy structure that we have. Let me turn this off so y'all won't get lost. All this is me just knowing the time zone. Look at all this buying structure right here. Ooh. Right here shooting up. So if I keep going over, we're gonna keep seeing the same thing. Let's circle our entry points. That I would have tried to get in on. Obviously, you want to get in when the market is opening up, not opening up. As far as you want to get in, as far as like, man, the market is pushing the opposite of what you're doing. So obviously, this would have been one. All right, if I said we can take the re-entry, all right, so that would have been this one. Our first entry would have been somewhere in this area between these two. We would have took it on a 5 minute. I'll just show you pushing down. Let's see if TP2 gonna be hit. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't got no music right now, man, too. So you know how many people be having all the music and stuff playing. I ain't got that. So, yeah. See, we got one hit twice. Let's see. Let's see. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? It's two gonna be hit. And who's gonna come out in a minute too. I don't be keeping track of that. I just be knowing people do. It is what it is sometimes in the morning. So now that we below here, let's see if the market builds a new block under here. What we want to see is a build structure under here, working its way still down. That's what we want to see. We want to see structure being built under here, pushing its way back down. So hold on, we can make it even. So this would have been the first time we took it to get into this, which if we had it on the body, it would have tapped the first time, which it missed because we didn't have it on the body like we needed to. And then it came back up to retest in this area, right? Which I said, we would have already had our little take profit with the little 13 pips if we would have did it first with this one. But came down a second time, y'all can see it tap. Now it's working its way back up. So what I'm saying is like for us to be comfortable to know that it's continue to go down, it has to build structure underneath here. Once it builds structure underneath here, working its way back down, we good as go. We good as go. Now what could happen, it could have just tapped that zone, like I said. And now it's time to do buying power. Push it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of buying power in this area. So if it was to go any lower, the next spot it would go is here. So, man. Pushing this little back there. I mean, I just how this one close. How does this candle close? But then look at it. Look what time the move happened, bro. You think about it. Look, we low right here. This was at like 7:20, like 7:30. 725 is when you should have probably entered into this. Right when we broke this gap in the market right here. So if I was up at 7, ooh, let me see. Look how many times, like, man, look from here to here, guaranteed. I'll be losing track of my tools. My bad, bro. Oh my goodness, come on. My bad. What is going on? My bad. I don't know. I forgot what I was about to do. Okay. No. I mean, I said, look when the move happened. It happened at like 725. At like 725. I just started working our way back down. It looked like, but 725 here. If we was up, would have been crazy. Look at all this. This one was filled. This one not filled. The whole little gap right there. Yeah, it was like we've been working our way down, bro. For sure. But this could be where we start shooting our way up. Hey, that one closed. It closed. Above it though. Let's see. Look at all this power right there. See that? See what happens. See what happens. Let's go. That's this one play out. they most definitely just shut down out of nowhere. So I'm probably going to end this. Let me see if everything's still set up so I can be set. Okay. I'm still able to show you all. Like I told y'all, I hope all this saved on there so y'all can honestly see. And I hope I talk to y'all something too. Or help anybody else out. Anybody that come across this, like I said, my name is Nail. I'm doing all this free. I ain't charging nobody for anything. It's free coins, free coins trading. I came up with this. I guess like not too long ago either though. But a lot of people that ask me to show them how I trade or how to trade, or like at least like the basics of trading. So this is me doing my best of doing that. So I'm hoping that anybody that learned anything from this can just get back. You know, only thing I'm asking y'all to do is subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think of the way I trade. Anybody that want to assist me, let me know. I'm always open to learning from others. We are a group. We're going to learn together, grow together, trade together. We together too. So, what's on my release when I just say my zone? It was a little man right now. What I do, I'm gonna start eating out there. I want to get views and stuff. What's going on right now? It's looking like the market went above here, but it closed right down. So to me, that's kind of invalid. And this one rose back up above again, but it closed below. So I'm looking for this to break this. I see it going back down, but let's see right now. It's balancing off of this. So this might be some bullish structure starting to like start showing up. You can start letting us know that it want to soon start going up. The wind, though, you never know. That's the only thing. Wind, you never know. Starting to put. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Like you might get back down here again, y'all. Break that again. It's probably just another entry point. Like when I said over here, you will see it building up. You can see all the time you can make take profit. So this one that went past here, so keep pushing down. It should keep pushing down here. But then that lets you know that's 1, 2, 3 entry points that could have been taken. And I'm doing all this live time. It's 10:13, I'm doing all this live time. I'm to my marking it up, the structure, all of it. I actually woke up late. I see that. So I like to be on the charts by like 6:37. I like to be on the chart. But it's okay. Like I said, today's still a holiday, so I'm not technically placing trades today. I'm going through this with y'all on how do I trade. I wish I would have made these trades, but I would have took those. But it's okay. That's the whole concept of it. Just trading every day, getting repetition, knowing like your discipline of how you trade, like controlling your mindset. Come on, we about to break through again. And it's like, this right here this is my damage. This is my way of like getting the information or retaining the information myself. I'm just hoping that others catch the same wave and they can learn from it as well. I mean, it's easy. It's hard, but it's easy. It's consistent. You gotta be consistent. So, win some, you're gonna lose some. You just gotta win more than you lose. See what this kind of do. It look like you wanna go off that one. If you don't know what golf means, it means basically to like overpower. Like it's gonna basically grow bigger than it, so it's gonna cancel out. So if this one grows and close bigger than this, it basically just ate it out, like similar to this right here. So we got this cell power going down, boom, but it just ate it up. Wow, get out of here, boy. So with that being said, it's like that's another indication that all right, it soon wants to go up. Where do it want to go up? Now, why did I pick going down? Because I seen buying power. Why I seen buying power? I told y'all where I seen buying power. We got something here. You look at that strong wick there. Look at that strong wick there. Look at that strong wick that ate that one right there. You see what I'm saying? Like, look at all this buying power in here. All this buying power in this zone. I seen that, but we weren't in that. We was sitting inside of a zone that was outside of the zone. I should say that. So my thing is like unless I see this market pushed up above here and I know it's all buying fire, I ain't buying. That's out the picture. Now when it's going below here, I know we're selling. But I know this sell can be either retracement. It can be liquidation. It can literally be it coming down and gather up everything in here. That's probably all they wanted to do. It probably wanted to come back in this zone, pass this line, take up everything else, take out all them buyers that they just had. It might come back down to grab all this, and then work its way right back up. You never know. You never know. You never know. So right now, that boy looking like he's about to eat that boy up, don't it? A strong body. You starting to get a lot of forward up momentum. Look at this long body. You still get a long body. So it's like you still have some cell power in here. So you still can break it and go lower. If it could be done. It could have did all this just to make a wick, just to come all the way down. For sure, for sure. But if you see, every time we touched it, we went past two. So we never had anybody close below this recent. So the goal was to get one of these to close below here, not just touching. That's why we put it on the body, because it's gonna be where the body would be. So now it's looking like we probably got a double bottom that just formed right here. And a double bottom form is like, man, you're not really about that. Nah, that is almost like an order block. But it still can. This can push way past there. Like the only pressure that's stopping is right here. And then pushing this, everything pushing down. So this can still just shoot past there. But this is why when you marking up your chart and you going from a previous spot, and you go from, I don't know what just caught my attention. That's crazy. I just had one of them that's so Raven moments. Oh, well, I'll be manifesting, I'm telling you. When you go from a previous spot, right? Stay close to the body. So just like this is the same thing like right here, right? Except for this ain't engulfing this one. This one ain't engulfing this one. But look, that's pressure to push up. It came low, pushed it right back up. It stayed body, about this, and pushed up. We broke through it, right? Let's see what this one did. I'm just hoping someone catches this one out when it's actually just dropped. And then tomorrow, when we start making actual trades, they're gonna be just like this. Y'all gonna see it done in real time. On a small account to build it up. I hope y'all can grasp it being too at the same time. And I'm gonna be getting off soon. I need to be getting ready to go to the shop. So I don't be trying to bounce around it too many. What's the names either? I just want to watch all this play out. Let's see. It's probably the start of the bullish market right here. But what I'm starting to see, this probably is going to be the last little bit of it. Anything could come here. I can see it is. Let me see. And I can see it going like this. That's all it is. We can actually go different than that. So, 15. Yes, we got here. We got here too. See, this is what I mean, like when I say buying structure, though. Like, we can't tell. We don't see all that right there. But it's nothing in here that'll stop it. So it's hella momentum right here. If we can break through this, touching this will be easy. If we can break through this little barrier here, like, man, this would be easy. This would be easy if we can break through that. That's the hard part of doing that. That's the hard part. That's why I said this can also go here. But that's a lot of momentum right there. If you look in the past, like right here, that's a lot of momentum. That's a lot, especially on the 15 minutes. Let's see how it look on 30. Yeah, see, look, all that buying power. But don't let that do nothing. Look, all 3 touches. So don't let that do nothing. All this can go straight down. Don't let that stay nothing. Trust me when I tell you. But we ain't got no big bodies happening. So like the last into an hour. I'm trying to finish it. Don't finish it. Big words. For sure. See how they look. Needs to let that play out. Okay. This play out. I'm gonna leave this on my screen so we can see how this come out tomorrow. Anybody that catch this trade today, Monday, January 15th, we're gonna see what happens. And yeah, I hope y'all caught how we did this right here. But other than that, appreciate y'all. It's your boy Neil. This is Free Coins Trading, man. If you want to join, free Discord in the chat. And the link below, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know what y'all want to learn. And I'll do my best to show y'all. I'm not the best trader. I'm just a real trader. So we're doing the $50 to 1,000, then the 1,000 to 10,000, to 10,000 to 100,000. I'm guessing, and then 100,000 to 1,000,000, I guess. So we're gonna build this account up, and we're gonna see what we can do. So right now we're gonna be having a lot of retracement right here. I said it is a holiday. I'm not trading today. All this is me showing y'all how I trade, how I go into my trades. We just came across knives and I just got comfortable with it, so I stuck with it. Knives is usually the one I like to trade on gold. I like to trade on gold. EU sometimes, GJ. It all just depends on how I'm feeling. But this might be the new start of some bullish motion. But today they got it going bullish anyway. So I would look for bulls. I seen the buying power, but why can't you capitalize before? So right now I'll probably be getting into my next trade. I probably would have banked on seeing how this closed, knowing that this showed me and this gave me a new resistance right here. This is giving me a new solid resistance right now. So seeing this close above, watch this come, I'm gonna go for pull back here, and that'll be my entry point to take it up. So if I'm looking for a bearish moment, right? Let me say that. I'm looking for a bearish moment. I mean a bullish moment. I need to catch it on a bearish play, on a bearish output. So let me change this up so y'all can see. Don't look the same. I know it don't necessarily matter how I coordinate mine, but I don't even know what green that is. It's gonna go blue. All right, so I catch it on the retracement, but I'm taking it out. So this would be here. Once you get into this zone, you see where it's not surpassing. It's a little bit higher. I'm gonna take it like that. I'm going to the body. If I was to do it like this, it's gonna come here. You gotta see all the this probably the lowest highs it's gonna go. I'm just hypothetically speaking. If it come here, and go here. This might come back down to here. I'll take off. So if I was looking for a buyer right now, right? So I'm looking at the market. I can tell you I'm not taking no trades, but let's say I was, right? I would have took this trade like we did here. Because I'm like, all right, I know it's gonna have a pullback because I know we in a bullish day to day. So they got us going more bullish, like up than down today. They got us going more up than down. So since we going more up than down, I know I gotta look for a play down that's gonna set me up to go up. All right. So what that means is where we started at, like where I came in, right? We was in like this area. What time? I got like 8 something. So and when we set this up, we set this up with this line and this line. We said this is gonna go up or it was gonna go down, right? And I told y'all what I needed to see. What I needed to see was it break below here, right? So we was on a 5 minute. That's what we're on 5 minute. I need to break below here, right? And I needed to break below here, but and then from that moment I would take it down, right? So the break, right, 840. The break below happened at 840, right? So I said, okay. So I know we going below. I caught it coming back up because we're going down. So you don't want to catch it going down. Like this is not my entry point. This just shows me that we want to go through this motion. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just show you if I was gonna take it, where would I take it, right? So we shot back up here, but we pushed. So I'm like, all right, now we got something to do. We broke through here, but now we're pushing. So I'm gonna go here. Circle in, worked our way down, right? Set on the line, shot down, caught it. It started working its way back up. And I said, okay, what it's doing is it's probably setting us up for another entry point, right? How we get up here. Okay. That's how we get up here. So now that we up here, I'll be calling it. We set it up here. All right. Catch it when it get right back into your zone. It still can go higher or whatever. It's just once you feel comfortable about it being in your zone. This red zone is the zone I'm talking about. On the zone I'm choosing to trade off of. So I know it came down. And I know when the green pushes up, it shows me like where the volume in the market is. It shows me like where the money is. They trying to recollect the money. And then it's trying to recalibrate and find out where it's going. So you got to find the higher end, the lower end. So it's like it's gonna always like find itself. Like it's computer generated. You gotta balance itself out. So knowing that it's coming up here, I'm like, all right, boom. Soon as switch over, I'm gonna take my trade, boom. Same thing. It came up here. Now, did I think it was gonna come all the way up here? No, but since it did, I'd rather take that. But I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait for this candle to finish so I can see what's doing, what is it doing? Because remember, it closed down here. So when it came all the way up here, boom, put another trade in, right? If I wanted to, right? Now, mind you, I didn't take no trades. We're just having a conversation. I'm just giving you all the mindset of me trading. And it's an educated guess or an educated gamble. Let's just say that because you never know if it's gonna go in your favor. And what did it do? Close down here. It came back up. I could have put another one in for like 3 inches, but I didn't. I ain't say we should go up here, but we could have if you wanted to. And what did it do? It come right back down. Right? We got 1 touch, 2 touch. Right? If you was on this one, you could have stopped it right then. But this touch was right here. There's 2 trades up there. So, but remember this one. If you seen it in the beginning, this one was the one where it was like, all right, make sure you have it on the bottom. Prime example, right? So now, like I said, we already in like an uptrend, like bullish power. We in a range of a lot of bulls right now because it's already there in the past. Now, even though it's working its way down, and this looks just like this, and this time span, it's working its way down. That does not mean that it won't skyrocket it up. Now, mind you, I said once it get past here, I'll take it up. Here, I'm taking up. But this could have been your lane right here to shoot up. There's so much bull power is on this. So getting back here off the reset would have been perfect. If it started here and went up here, I would have took that. But knowing here is where the most bull power at. Let me turn it blue. Let me turn it blue. Here is where it's at. And I know that from past tense. when I took the trade for it to come down here, every time it touched here, I could have used that to use my bounce to shoot up. See what I'm saying? So if it was first, I would have took it to come here because it would have probably been setting itself up to go back down. You get what I'm saying? But now we took it because we like, all right, it's a bullish day, it's going up. So let's take the retracement or liquidation. Let's play that field, see if we can get them going down liquidity, grabbing liquidity. This is more like a liquidity grab right here. Boop, boop, shoot up. This gonna probably come down off here. I'm telling you, it's probably gonna come down off here. Tap here. And then back down. Now, mind you, I would have been in this trade already. You see where I'm lined up at. So I'm saying if we would have came right back here, once you see this close, now we're gonna be looking for a position. So we got volume in the market. Whew. We got volume in the market right now. Shooting it up. Right? So now what you will be waiting on, let me take this out. Now what you will be waiting on is literally for the market to come here, or wherever you see a point of resistance, it could be here, and take it back up. Here. Yeah. It's all good. Appreciate y'all verifying this. Your boy, yeah, now. Over here at Free Coins.